If you want to know how to download itch.io browser games, or more accurately, how to access and play them properly in your browser, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through the simple steps so you can open a browser game on itch.io and start playing right away. This is especially useful if you're new to itch.io and want to understand how browser games work without getting confused by download options. Before we begin, if this tutorial helps you out, please take a second to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech and gaming guides. Alright, let's get into it. First, open your browser and go to itch.io. Once the site loads, use the search bar to find the browser game you want to play. You can type the game name directly or browse through categories until you find something that looks interesting. After you open the game page, take a moment to scroll down to the Games section. Itch.io game pages usually have a lot of information, screenshots, descriptions, and creator details, so make sure you're looking in the right place. When you reach the section for the actual game, look for the Run Game button. This is the key button you need for browser games on itch.io. Instead of downloading anything to your device, browser games are designed to launch instantly inside your web browser. So once you click Run Game, the game should open in a new window or embedded player, depending on how the creator set it up. From there, you can start playing directly in your browser with no install required. If the game doesn't open right away, check that your browser allows pop-ups or that the page finished loading completely. Sometimes browser games need a moment to initialize, especially if they're larger or use a lot of assets. Also keep in mind that not every itch.io game is meant to be downloaded. Some are browser only, while others offer separate download files for PC or Mac. If your goal is just to play the game quickly, the browser version is usually the easiest option. And that's really all there is to it. Go to itch.io, search for the browser game, scroll to the game section, and click Run Game to play directly in your browser. It's fast, simple, and doesn't require a download. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.